At its heart, science is about the joy of discovery, extending the boundaries of what we know. 2025 was no exception, offering us everything from the silly to the profound. Let's savor 7 scientific treats that prove small moments of joy are good for the soul. First, a big feat in a tiny package. Scientists have 3D printed a 10-micrometer elephant inside a living human cell. This playful bit of absurdism isn't just for show. It's a breakthrough in how we might one day control cells to fight disease. The gender gap in housework is shrinking. While married women still do about 2.5 hours of chores for every hour a man does, the gap in cooking and cleaning is closing. It's a hopeful story of changing homes and shared lives. Forget needles. Researchers successfully vaccinated mice against the flu using specialized dental floss. This ingenious method could lead to painless, easy-to-deliver vaccines for humans in the near future. The wild axolotl is facing extinction, but there's a glimmer of hope. Captive-bred axolotls are being reintroduced to the wild to test their survival. These adored aquatic salamanders might just have a shot at a comeback. In Morocco, blowfly larvae have taken disguise to a new level. They have evolved false termite faces on their rear ends to blend into nests. It's nature's ultimate butthead camouflage. This sounds like science fiction. Mammals getting oxygen through their intestines. In 2025, 27 brave volunteers tested an oxygen-rich liquid delivered rectally. This could eventually provide a life-saving alternative for patients who can't breathe through their lungs. Finally, the sound of one hand clapping? No, the physics of two. Scientists discovered that clapping creates a Helmholtz resonance, the same effect you get when blowing across a soda bottle. Every time you cheer, you're creating a tiny burst of physics-driven joy.